Crunchy and chewy oatmeal cookie ala Goldilocks ba ang hanap mo with a touch of raisins and chocolate chunks? Well, sobrang dali lang yan. Ituturo sa inyo na inyong madiskarteng kusinera. It's me, Hey Ice. At kung trip mo ang ganitong mga video, just click the subscribe button below and push the notification bell para ma-update kita sa susunod nating yummy recipe. At ngayon, magsisimula na tayo. Ang mga sangkap na ating kailangan ay ilalagay ko sa description box below. Ilagay ang 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar sa ating mixing bowl. Then ihalo na ang half cup of cold butter. I-mix lang natin until it forms a soft paste. Then, i-sift natin ang 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I-sift din natin ito para mag-blend ng mabuti sa ating mga ingredients. Then, add tayo ng 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Ito yung nagpapa-neutral sa ating cookie. Then, of course, our 1 cup of oatmeal din i-mix na natin. Add din tayo ng isang egg and mix all the ingredients. And also chocolate chunks, hiniwa ko lang yan and save the half for our toppings later. Gagamitan lang natin ito ng fold-in technique. Then, ilagay na natin ang 1/8 cup of raisins. Then, i-fold lang natin ang paghalo and do not overmix until the texture should become like this. Then, i-form na natin into cookie ball. And I'll use this scooper para pantay ang sizing about 1 scoop each. Ayan na ang ating first batch. Pwede nyo itong i-flatten para mas crunchy along the edges or semi-flat para mas chewy in the middle. But either way, it's the best combination na hinahanap natin sa ating cookie. Now, let's add the chocolate toppings. There it is, guys. It's all ready to cook. Lulutuin lang natin ito sa ating non-stick pan over a very low heat. Yes, dapat very low heat lang talaga and no need to put oil. Pwede nyo din ito i-flatten diretso na sa pan para di kayo mahirapan. While waiting, scoop lang natin ang naiwang cookie dough and add the chocolate chip. Now let's check our cookies. It's normally soft pag mainit pa but eventually titigas din siya in a while. Kaya dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagkuha para di madideform. Now let's cook the next batch, up to the last dough. Ayan na, it's all cooked and there it is, guys, our homemade oatmeal cookie with raisins and chocolate chip a la Goldilocks. Kaya sa mga sis natin na nagka-crave dyan, well, pwede nyo na itong gawin sa bahay. I love the consistency of this cookie. It's both crunchy along the edges and it's really so chewy in the middle. And it's the best combination of cookie na hinahanap natin. Sarap itong pampare sa paborito nating hot choco or coffee, di ba? At gustong-gusto din ng mga kids. Kaya sa mga monkeys dyan, follow nyo lang ang mga ingredients na ipopost ko in the description box below, and as easy as 1 to 3, may instant oatmeal cookie ka na. And next is gagawa naman tayo ng no-bake tipid recipe custard donut at pandan potato cheese. Trip mo din ba ito? Well, 3 times a week tayo nag-upload ng new recipe, kaya huwag kalimutang i-push ang notification bell para ma-update kita sa susunod nating yummy recipe. It's me, Hey Ice, ang inyong madiscarding kusinera.